One sunny afternoon, Biko the buffalo played on the grass. He became distracted and he chased a butterfly. After a long time, he found himself far from his family. He realized that he was lost. Biko began to worry. Poor Biko! Layla was sitting in a tall tree when she saw Biko crying. "I'm lost, Layla," Biko cried. "I can't remember how to get back. I have a bad memory." His big tears fell to the ground. "How sad." "You don't have a bad memory," said Layla. "You just don't pay attention. Let's try and remember the way back." First, Layla asked Biko about the river he had crossed. "Yes," Biko said as he remembered. "It was very hot, so I drank some water and took a swim in the river to cool down." Together, they started walking back, and they found a river. "Did you pass any special trees?" Layla asked. "Mangoes," Biko shouted as he remembered the big mango tree. "I love mangoes," Biko said as they spotted the mango tree from afar. One by one, Layla helped Biko remember. The green hill that looked like a sleeping hippopotamus. The field of tall yellow grass where the zebras liked to hide. And the red mountain where the eagles flew high in the sky. Each memory brought them closer to Biko's herd. Then, as the sun began to set, Biko looked up and saw his family. He jumped with joy. "Thank you, Layla. You helped me remember the way back home," he said. That day, Biko learned a valuable lesson. A good memory starts with paying attention. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com